I'm just kidding. I mean, it is morning, but I'm kidding with the hair flip. My husband's lunch this week is gonna be very simple because your girl is very busy this week.
The first dish is Gyudon or Japanese beef rice bowl. Slice some onion, green onions, and thin beef. For the sauce, mix sugar with mirin and soy sauce. You're supposed to add sake, but I didn't have any. Mix it all together and add the onions, dashi stock, and beef. Mine is still semi-frozen and I cut it a little too thin, but it's okay, it's early. And then turn on the stove. In the meantime, I'm heating up frozen rice in the microwave, which is a huge time saver. When the meat has browned, skim off any scum and fat floating on the top. After cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes, garnish it with some chopped green onions and serve it on rice. I prefer to store it separately when taking it for lunch, but my husband wants it just in one Tupperware, so I don't know. Must pour over the delicious sauce, and there you have it. The second dish is kimchi bokkeumbap or fried rice with thick pork belly. Slice up some pork bellies and cook it in a very simple yet generous seasoning of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And once the pork has been fully cooked, create a center and add chopped kimchi. I prefer to use very fermented kimchi, but whatever floats your boat. Sauté until slightly soft and then add gochujang or Korean red pepper paste with some sugar and soy sauce. Combine all the ingredients together and add the rice. Turn off the stove and swirl on some sesame seed oil. And there you have it. Garnish it with some green onions and a fried egg. Today is my husband and my wedding anniversary, 5 years. And I'm gonna make one of his favorite dishes of mine, which is air-fried salmon with some mayo and fish roe. It's so good. Pat dry fillets of salmon and mix some mayo and fish roe. And this is what makes the dish taste super homey and delicious. Smear it on both the top and the bottom, and you can also sprinkle some salt and pepper if you like. Air fry it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 14 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Place it on a bed of rice, but choose whatever side you like. Garnish with some green onions and drizzle on sriracha sauce, and there you have it. Have a nice day!